Stoichiometry lab, we're mixing vinegar and baking soda to calculate how much carbon dioxide is produced. Number 1 on your data table, measure an empty beaker, beaker A. Now add baking soda. So beaker A plus the baking soda goes in number 2 on your data table. Now record another beaker. This is beaker B, empty. Now we're going to add about 100 grams of vinegar, approximately. This is number 5, beaker B plus the vinegar. Now you slowly add the vinegar to the baking soda to let the reaction occur. The bubbles you see are the carbon dioxide that are being produced. This is an acid-base reaction. You keep adding the vinegar slowly until there's no more bubbles. Then we will record what's left at the end. Now record the mass of beaker B and vinegar after the reaction. This is number 6 on your data table. And finally record the mass of beaker A after the reaction. This will be number 8 on your data table.